Hello and welcome to this tutorial for OperationUK Roleplay. So today we are going to be showing you how to use our MDT system that has been in game for a bit. But I thought I would make a tutorial for those who are new and don't know how to use it. So I'm the assistant commissioner for the Met Police. I'm also one of the owners here at OperationUK Roleplay. So let's get into the tutorial. So to open your MDT, you want to do /MDT. It doesn't matter if it's lowercase, highcase, as long as you do /MDT. So, I'm in the Metropolitan Police already. Just click home. So, here you can see all your channels. You'll see Operation UKRP Mobile Data Terminal. You'll see your Discord profile, and then you'll see a whole list of channels, divisions, whatever you like to call them. So, this is role binded, which means when you get the MPS role, or the LES role, or the LFB role, tow role, civilian role, etc., you will have access to it in the MDT. So, let's say, for example, MPS, Metropolitan Police, you'll need to request a collar number to become ERPT, the Emergency Response Policing Team, in the Discord for a ticket. It's really easy. And then you will have access to this channel. So let's focus on this channel for now. So if you go into the channel, we can go on duty. So to go on to shift, toggle shift, you want to click this green button down here. Then, since you are ERPT at start, or whatever division you are in the Discord, you want to click select sub-department, and then you want to click which one you are. For example, if you are the ERPT, you will click emergency response and patrol team. It will say selected, emergency response and patrol team. So, it's classed as under Deputy Commissioner, but I am the Assistant Commissioner. It's just not been changed yet. It'll say your name, it'll say your rank, so your call sign. So your call sign, how to edit your call sign. All you want to do is go to this button here, and let's say you are Trojan or anything like that. Whatever your call sign is in the Discord, you want to put the last two numbers in there. So, for me, I am Golf X-Ray 1003. So, I'm going to put GX03. Save changes, and it will change your call sign for the controller. Vehicle roof code, don't matter, we're sorting the fleets out in game, that is coming soon. Call ID, shift duration and stuff, this is just how much you've logged. I've logged just 1 minute, but I have a total of 2 days and 18 hours on MDT. And then the rest is all of that. It will say your subdivision, your status, and all that. So, let's go to the right here. We can see status panel. So, we require, if you are going to a call, that you select you're going on to a call. So then it makes it all nice and easy for controllers to know where you're going. Don't just leave it as state 2 all the time, because it gets really confusing. So, you can rather go on to the MDT and change it from here. Let's say I'm going to a call. State 5. It'll say I'm state 5. If I've got to that call, we can also do /status. Oh, my caps are on. Status space the status code. So if I'm at the call, it'll be status 6. It'll say status change, and that will be really useful for our controller. Okay. So if we go down one, we can see our emergency hotline. We can see all our emergency calls that have come in. You will get a notification when a call comes in. You can accept these calls, locate via GPS, here, add notes, and also assign units. I don't think you'll get the option to assign units, because I think that's just controllers up. But yeah. So PNC, we should all know what a PNC is. It's where we search up all our, criminals and all our people that we pull up and stuff. Police National Computer, I think. Personal search. So, I have a character called Alfie Mace. So, it will work if I just put Alfie, but it will also work if I just put Mace. But it'll be easier if you just put the full name, because by the time, they might be loads of characters and you don't want to get the wrong one. So here it is. It'll say all their markers, This is a test character, so I put some markers on it. You'll see if they're armed and dangerous, assault, drug related, and all that. You'll see when they're born, their name, their citizen ID, and everything about them, really. You'll see what licenses they have, their nationality, their occupation, their country, postal code, state, city, address type, address, phone number, all that. We can go to actions here, and we have a couple of actions. So we can show the vehicles that that person owns. So my character owns a vehicle with the number plate of Golf, Oscar, 05, Mike, Hotel, Foxtrot. So when we're making number plates, this will be relevant later for the civilian characters, we make sure we put space here so that it's all realistic. It will say if there's a marker on the vehicle, and it will say if it's reported stolen, or anything like that. As you can see, this vehicle, hold up, so if we go here, oh shoot, if we go here, edit it, we can edit it, Bolo, it will say if it's a Bolo or it's stolen. So it will also say the reason, and it's a test, and all that, yep. So, if we go down again, and we go show citizen, we can also look at the properties that that person owns under the real estate. So the property, all of this, price, very expensive, seized, all that. We can unseize the property like that. So, we can also show records, we can show its records, assault, recorded date, record date, sorry, description, victims, location, officer details, as you can see here, sentence, 4 years, prosecuted, yes. So that just gives us a insight on all that. Oh, someone's fighting in the background in game, I don't know why, just heard a Molotov. Anyway, we can also show fines. We show fines, obviously this character doesn't have any fines, but it will show if you... Oh, I'm still on that. So, if we go down here, we can also edit the markers, and you can see you can tick it, and all that. We can add a record, and we can add a fine. Obviously that's self-explanatory, it kind of tells you what to do. Now if we go down to unit overview, I don't think most of you will see it, but this is what our control will see. That's why it's so important to change the status of what you are, so, well, then you can do it. Our controllers can see your name, your call sign, your vehicle roof code, mode of transport, department, sub-department, rank, location, and postal, active call, and can assign you. They can also send you beeps. Just to, get your attention. So, operations, you won't see this. Actually, yeah, you will. So, our operations, when we've completed a call, we would like you to put in a report. So, you select report type, police report, or a fire or medical, depending what you are, what it is, or what you are. So, employees involved. So, how we would like you to write this is, so, my officer's name is Jamie Barnes. So I put J. Barnes dash Golf X-ray dash 1003, and then space slash, then if you have any other units. So for example, our commissioner R. Butler dash his call sign Golf X-ray 1 oh, Golf X-ray 1001. That's so on, so on, and so on. Then, civilians involved, you've just got to enter their name or their citizen ID. How we'd like you to write this, so let's say J Barnes was a civ. We'll write J Barnes, and then in brackets, let's say I was ID number 1, which I am, we'll put that in brackets. Now, down to statistics. Oh, and also, yeah, you've got to give a detailed description on all of, well, what happened. Very detailed. statistics. This is just all statistics for the department. So that covers the Metropolitan Police. So let me end my shift. You can click that green button. And let's move on to the London Ambulance. This should go through quick. It's just your rank, all of that again, your status. But these don't have access to anything like PNC. This is just for like controls to know where the ambulance is going and then to receive calls. So nothing really special here, except the sub departments. I don't think I have access to rapid response. So that's what you'll see because I'm not rapid response trained. So, never mind. You do get access, but you just don't. It's the same thing and all that. Just for the ambulance service. Report type, you'll put a medical report and then do the same thing. LFB, London Fire Brigade. All of these are role bounded, by the way, so you would have to get the LFB role. If you want the LFB role, there is applications opening ever so often where you can fill out a short application. And it's a really short training. It gets done really quick. We respond to it quite quick. So, yeah. So this same thing, just register your call sign and all that. You got London Fire, Marine Unit. I don't have Marine Unit because I'm not a Marine Unit. Self-explanatory. Status again, employee details, call sign. In the LFB I am Charlie. For now because I'm filling in for a 03, so I am a Charlie 03 for now. Normally I'm way lower. So, if you wanted to be 03 in the LFB, just be the first to come in and fill in an application. You can. You will be replaced. You can be replaced. No, you'll replace me. With 03. So just get quick to that application, and you'll go to 04. I think is the quickest, the highest role you can go, which is really good to say you only would have just applied. So that's all the same. The tow service, I don't have the tow service role, so I can't really show you, but it's basically the same, but I'm pretty sure they don't have access to the PNC or the emergency hotline. And yeah. Civilian. Alright, this is where we got some new information. So, civilians see way different to the police and the ambulance and the fire. So, council, this is where you register you. So, your first name, let's say John. Last name, Doe. Date of birth, your in-character's date of birth, let's say just 2002. Any gender, you can put any gender. I'm going to put male. John Doe, that's going to be our email. John Doe 123 at 5mail.com. Phone number, just spam random numbers. That's what I normally do because we don't have a phone system in game. Address, just put a address of where you want your character to live. I normally go up to Nicola Place. Just get the postal for Nicola Place. Get someone else to check for you if you don't want to tab out of this. And then just fill out the rest. City, London, state. We do normally have a state mapping. We are just working on it right now. Normally it's like Newham and all that, City of London and all that. Just it will be like that. Nationality, it would be, well, whatever you want. I'm gonna put English, and then the rest of that. So we require our civilian characters to have pictures. I don't use this character that much for civilian, so I don't have one. But if you go to our Discord, you will see a MDT info channel, and in there you can see how to set up a picture URL for this. It's very descriptive. Just go verify in the Discord. You just got to click a button and you're verified, and then go down to the MDT info channel and you'll see how to do this. DVLA, this is where you register your vehicle. So, when you register a civilian, you've got to do that first. You select the citizen you want this vehicle to go under. So, let's say we want to register it to Alfie Mace. License plate. So, if the license plate is, let's say, Golf Oscar, Golf Oscar 05, Mike Hotel Foxtrot, sorry. We don't write it like this, because we need a space in the middle. So when you see that, put a space in the middle. It will say it's wrong, but it's not, it's fine. You put the make of the vehicle, let's say it's a BMW, model M5, colour black, build year, I don't know, 2016. Taxpayer, administrative defence, insurance. Is it stolen? No. We don't require vehicle pictures, but it's suggested. I don't have any. If you want some, you can. It's the same way of doing the MDT info for the characters, just with a vehicle. Now, register. Oh, obviously, cannot register because it's already a vehicle here. It won't say that if it's someone else's vehicle, it will say it because I already have a vehicle like that. But make sure you put that space in, or it will. It says no white spaces, but it will do it. It's fine. Real estate. This is just your house that you will register on your council. Property type: house, apartment, studio, cabin, commercial, but loads to choose out of. Address: house number, district, postal code. Amenities: build year, price, description, postcode, district. Same thing with the MDT info there on the Discord. Is it seized property by the police department, by the match? If not, don't ticket. If it is, then ticket. Registration date, that's now. And then you click register, which I didn't fill it all out. So it won't. Go back. So that's our MDT. If you have anything else, just contact us and ticket. And thank you. That's been the tutorial. Yeah.